So the blue dye I got from Woodcraft pretty well soaked into everything without too much of an issue, whereas the black aniline dye, not so much, as you can kind of see there. Yeah, I mean, there's filler in spots in this because there were incidents with, there were a lot of incidents with how I cut the body shape out to free it, and mistakes were made, and then the body itself was only cut to a point, and I had to finish it using a router because the bits on the CNC were not long enough. So that's how you end up with filler there. And there's some filler in here, which you almost certainly can't see. Can I reflect any light in there? No, I cannot. Yeah. There's a chop out of here. Those lines are weird. I don't fully understand where they're from. This piece of wood is really weird. But it is coming along pretty good. It's also thick as hell. It's like 1 7/8. So this thing weighs like 500 pounds. So, yeah. All things considered, though, I think it's looking pretty good, and I have plenty more of this wood that I can probably put together better and not use the end bit, and do this again sometime.